Chapter 41. Opening a present. The old man wants to give the present to his friend, the old lady. He buys a vase because his friend is crazy in vase. Firstly, he goes to his friend's house and gives the vase to her. The old lady accepts it and says, "Thank you so much." She wants to know what things will be inside, so she fumbles it, and then she shakes it. She gets it before she opens. After that, she unties the ribbon and tears the packing paper. She wraps it and throws it into the dustbin. She lifts the cover of the parcel. She peeks inside the parcel. Then she finds out her liking the enamel vase. She takes it out of the parcel. She says to the old man, "Thank you."